All right. You guys going? I'm going. You guys, you're so dumb, huh? Come on, move over. Oh dear Lord, that is deep. What's the matter, guys? Don't you want to come swimming? Every other day of the week we do. Oh my God, that is cold. No wonder. Nanda. Charlie, what are you doing, buddy?